blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, green color, and white color. Kids nine alphabets and first letter A, and here is blue color. A for apple, A for aeroplane, B, B for ball, B for bat, C, C for cat, C for car. Kids again use blue color and draw. D, D for dog, D for doll, E, E for egg, E for elephant, F, F for fish, F for fan. Kids again use blue color and draw. G, G for God, G for glass, H, H for hand, H for helicopter, I for eyes, I for ice cream. Kids neither J, J for joker, J for jackfruit, and here is yellow color. K, K for kite, K for king, L, L for lion, L for lemon, M, M for moon, M for mango, N, N for nose, N for nest. Kids again use yellow color and draw. O, O for orange, O for octopus, P, P for parrot, P for penguin, Q, Q for queen, Q for quill. Kids neither R, R for rose, R for rice, and here is red color. S, S for sun, S for snack, T, T for teacher, T for tiger, U, U for umbrella, U for uncle. Kids again use red color and draw. V, V for van, V for vanilla, W, W for wallet, W for watch, X, X for X-ray, X for telephone, Y, Y for yak, Y for yo-yo, Z, Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids neither numbers, and first letter 1, and here is black color. 2, 3, the numbers of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kids again use black color and draw. 9, 10, T, E and 10. Blue color, red color, yellow color, green color, black color, and white color. Kids neither alphabets, and first we draw A, and here is blue color. A for apple, A for ant, B, B for ball, B for bat. C for cat, C for car. D for dog, D for doll. E for egg, E for elephant. It's neither F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F and use red color. G for God, G for glass. The alphabets of G. H for hand, H for helicopter. I for ice, I for ice cream. J for joker, J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J. It's neither numbers. The alphabets of numbers. First we draw 1. O-N-E 1. The numbers of 1, 2, T-W-O 2, 3, T-H-R-W 3, 4, F-O-U-R 4, 5, F-I-V-E 5. It's neither 6. The numbers of 6 and use green color. S-I-X 6, 7, S-E-V-E and 7, 8, E-I-G-H-T 8, 9, N-I-N-E 9, 10, T-E-N 10, 11. The numbers of 11 and 12. The numbers of 12. Red color, blue color, green color, black color, yellow color, and white color. It's neither alphabets. And first we draw A for apple and use red color. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. It's neither E and use red color. E for elephant. F for fish. G for guard. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. It's neither J for jackfruit and use blue color. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nest. It's neither O for octopus and use green color. P for parrot. Q for queen. It's neither R. R for rose, and here is black color. S. S for sun. T. T for teacher. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. It's neither W. W for wallet. X. X for telephone. Y. Y for yeah. Z. Z for zebra. It's neither numbers, and here is yellow color. O. N. 1. 2. T. W. 2. 3. T. H. R. W. 3. 4. F. O. U. R. 4. 5. F. I. V. E. 5. It's neither 6, and here is red color. The numbers of 6 is IX 6, 7 is EVE and 7, 8 EIGHT 8, 9 NIN 9, 10 TE and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.